Look around you. What kind of males do you perceive? Grown men with bellies over their belts, cramming their faces like swine at a trough, pursuing pleasure, another drink, another bite, another meaningless night with a woman whose name they know they won't have a future with. These were once bright boys, full of potential. Now they're wavering and directionless. Their parents once took them to church, placed Bibles in their hands, encouraged them to read, to learn, to walk in the path of righteousness. They sat in Sunday school, heard the stories of David, of Moses, of Paul. They were taught about discipline, about faith, about the power of God. Some were even sent to Bible study, surrounded by a community that desired them to grow in wisdom and truth. But they never took it seriously. They nodded along, recited verses, but let the words pass through them like water through open hands. They failed to let the word sharpen them, failed to let discipline shape them into men of God. And as the years passed, the world became louder than their faith. Now they are here, grown but empty, indulging in distractions, avoiding the weight of their own weakness. But then there's the one who chose differently, the man who walks in discipline, not indulgence. He rises before the sun. He trains his body because weakness is not an option. He reads the word because a man without wisdom is already lost. He builds, he works, he protects, he fulfills his purpose. His mind is sharp, his will unshaken. He does not waste words, nor does he waste time. Every action is deliberate, every thought rooted in something greater than himself. When temptation comes, because it always does, he does not flinch. The flesh is weak, but his spirit is unshakable. His desires do not control him. He controls them. The world bows to its urges. He bows to God. Society calls it fun. He calls it slavery to food, to screams, to fleeting pleasures that corrode the soul. The world is full of grown boys who never became men, but he is different. It shows in the way he carries himself, the way he speaks. There's a presence about him, an aura of a man who fears God and nothing else. They laugh at him now, call him rigid, old-fashioned, tell him to live a little. Let them laugh, because in 10 years they'll see. Their eyes will be sunken, their bodies broken. They'll be drowning in death, in regret, in the weight of their own weakness. And they'll look at him and wonder how. How did he stand strong when the rest fell apart? The answer is simple. God, discipline, purpose. A man is not simply born into manhood. He is forged in the fire of hardship, through prayer, through sweat, through sacrifice, by saying no to what is easy and yes to what is right. He does not wait for motivation. He moves with conviction. He does not seek comfort. He seeks growth. His body is strong because it must be. His mind is sharp because the world is full of lies. His heart is steady because it is anchored in truth. That's why he walks differently, moves differently. He does not break, does not bend, does not give in, because he belongs to him and he was never made to be weak. Weak men bow to their flesh. You crucify yours.